Welcome back to Other Luxuries. My name is Alana G. And today I just wanted to share with you something that I quickly picked up at the Coach Outlet. Um, when was it? Like 2 months ago, Coach had a sale on a collaboration that they did with the estate of the artist Jean-Michel Basquiat. And I missed all of the items. There were a few bags that I wanted and a trench coat that I really wanted, and I missed out. And I didn't want to buy them on the resale market because, it was all marked up. But alas, they had a re-release, and so I was able to grab a bag, one that I hadn't seen before, and I wasn't really sure if I was gonna like it. But I did take a peek, and I think it might have grown on me. I didn't completely unbox it. I just took a peek because I wanted to do an unboxing with you all here on YouTube. So here we go. So it came from Coach in a nondescript brown box, and which is good because, especially when delivery people leave boxes just outside of your house, you don't want people to know what it is. So good on Coach for not having branding on the outside of the box. Got a bunch of air paper here. And then it came wrapped in this plastic, good old protective wrapping, wrapped pretty well. I don't think this bag has probably been handled by anybody else, considering how well it is wrapped. I've been wanting a cream colored handbag to add to my collection here in the US because, as I mentioned in my last video, most of my things are in storage in Canada. Having a hard time taking all of this off, but here we go. Look at that. I mean, it smells really good. Let me take off all the protective wrapping so you can get a better look at the details. Has anybody visited the Coach outlet recently? They still have things from this Basquiat release. There is a trench coat there as well on sale, but still, I don't know, I'm on the fence about whether or not I want to pay $500 for a trench coat, especially because I already have one from Burberry in a similar colorway. So, original retail on this bag was $478. I got it on the outlet for about $280. And here we are. It's called the Dempsey. Has like snakeskin embossing on the handle. It's a cute size bag. The one that I originally wanted had artwork all over the back and the sides, so I was a little bit disappointed about that, but I do really like this whole like famous artwork and the Basquiat crown, which was like a symbol that the artist was very well known for using in a lot of his work, as well as his graffiti before he was more well known. It comes with an extra long strap, and pretty spacious on the inside. I don't know if I could fit my laptop in here. Let me see. Yeah, I'm using my laptop as a monitor here, and I think I would be able to fit it in. So, here's the bag, easily in the crook of your arm, or I guess with the cross strap. Can't see here, but it's cute. She's cute. Let's see. Maybe I will take these off and come back. It's a very nice cross strap in the same leather that the body is done in. Crossbody, like on my tiptoes. I don't know. What do you think? I think it's super cute. I would probably be more inclined to wear it as a handheld bag or in the crook of my arm than as a crossbody, but it's nice to have the option. And I think it's a really convenient size. It's like not too big and not too small. Very nice cream color. Has a little bit of this like coral, slightly on the red side coral. Very nice for fall. So yeah, if you're interested in this collection, I'll leave a link down below in the description so that you can go check out what else is on the Coach website. Talk to you later.